So friends, this is a question. Here the question is the vapor density. Vapor density of the volatile chloride of metal is 74.6. If the specific heat of the metal is 0.55, then we need to calculate what we need to calculate. Calculate the exact atomic weight of the metal and the formula of its chloride. So here the first thing is we are given a metal chloride. So for example, that metal chloride, we can write it as a MClX. Why X? Because we don't know how many chlorines are there and what is the valency of the metal. So we can use these formulas I have already written here. This atomic weight of any atom can be equal to 2 into its vapor density. We can also take as a molecular weight. Okay, then the second thing is the specific heat. If the specific heat is given, then we can use this formula. Specific heat into atomic weight is equals to 6.4. One more formula we have. If you want to find out the equivalent weight, then you can find out this formula. Atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valence. Okay, but first of all, we need to find out here atomic weight and formula of chloride. So for formula of chloride, we need to find out this X. Okay, metal chloride's formula if you want to find out. So for that, we need to find out this X. And for example, now, first of all, we'll use this formula. Okay, specific heat is equal to atomic weight into 6.4. We need to find out atomic weight. So atomic weight is equals to 6.4 divided by specific heat. So specific heat is given here. Here you can read the volatile chloride of metal. Its vapor density is 74.6, but the specific heat is 0.55. So 6.4 divided by 0.55 and we'll get 11.6. Okay, now we have atomic weight of the metal. Okay, because specific heat of the metal is given, so this is atomic weight of metal. Now if the formula of metal is MClX, so molecular mass, we need to find out the molecular mass or molecular weight. Molecular weight we can write like this, that atomic weight of M, okay, plus how many chlorines are there? X. So you can write here X into atomic weight of Cl. Okay, and here instead of atomic weight we can write the molecular weight is equals to 2 into vapor density. So we can write this formula over here. We can compare this molecular weight of this MClX is equals to 2 into vapor density. So vapor density we are given. We can write 2 into vapor density. It is 74.6, and here atomic weight of the metal we have already calculated it is 11.6. So we write here 11.6 plus X, atomic weight of the chlorine is 35.5. Okay, so we have 35.5x is equals to 2 into 74.6 minus 11.6. Okay, so final x is equals to what we can write. X is equals to, first of all let me solve this. 35.5x is equal to 149.2. So x is equals to, we can write 149.2 divided by 35.5. 5. And so x will be 4. So if x is 4, we can write the formula of metal chloride is MCl4. Okay, and already our atomic weight we have calculated. So these are two our answers. 11.6, it is atomic weight of the metal, and the formula is MCl4. Now friends, for another question, if the equivalent weight you need to find out, then we can use this formula. Okay, so let's see one example of it also. Okay friends, so this is the question, and here you can see that the vapor density of volatile chloride of metal is 95, and the specific heat of the metal is 0.13 calorie per gram. So here you need to find out the equivalent mass of the metal. As I told you in the previous question, here three formulas are written. Okay, I will write again this formula. For example, if you want to find out the atomic mass, so atomic mass or atomic weight is equals to 2 into vapor density. Okay, then related to the specific heat, we can write specific heat is in specific into atomic weight is equal to 6.4. One more formula for equivalent mass, we have atomic weight is equals to equivalent weight into valency of that matter. Okay, so the first thing, if you want to find out the equivalent weight, because here equivalent mass we need to find out, we need atomic weight. Okay, so what is atomic weight? For that, you can write that atomic weight is equals to 6.4 divided by specific heat. And here specific heat is given. Where is it? The specific heat of the metal is 0.13. So we can write 6.4 divided by 0.13, and atomic weight of the metal will be 49.23. Now here it is talked about the chloride, metal chloride. So let metal chloride is MClX again, and as I told you previously, what we can write, the atomic mass or atomic weight of metal plus X into 35.5, its atomic mass of the chlorine is equals to this 2 into vapor density. 2 into vapor density. So 2 vapor density is given. Volatile chloride's vapor density is 95. So 2 into 95. Yes, the atomic mass we have already calculated here, 49.23. So we can write 49.23 plus 35.5x. Okay, so this we can solve, and if we solve this, we can write it like this: 35.5x is equals to 2 into 95 minus 49.23. Okay, so it gives you 190 minus 49.23, and you can write 35.5x. So finally we can write 140.77 and is equals to 35.5x. So x is equal to 140.77 divided by 35.5. So the final answer will be 3.96. Now friends, the very important thing, if we want to find out the equivalent mass, we can use this formula, but it will not give you the correct answer. So directly we cannot use this. because you can consider valency as x, but we will not go through this directly. Instead, we will use this formula again. Which formula? This one. Okay. This formula I will write like this. See, atomic weight of metal. Instead of this atomic weight of metal, I will write this thing. Okay. So what I can write? I can write here equivalent weight. Equivalent weight into valency. Equivalent weight into valency. And what is valency? This x is the valency. Okay, it is 3.96. Okay, plus this x 35.5 is equal to 2 into vapor density. Now again same thing, same values we have to put here. Only we need to make subject to the equivalent weight. And valency, the valence is nothing but it is x. So we'll write equivalent weight into x. Instead of x, we'll put the value which we have already calculated, this 3.96 plus again here x is equals to, you can put 3.96 into 35.5. Now if we solve this, okay, so we can write it as a make subject to the equivalent weight, okay, into this 3.96. So I can write equivalent weight into 3.96 plus, when we'll multiply this, we are getting 142 is equals to 2 into 95, so it is 190. So you can write 3.96 into equivalent weight, okay, into equivalent weight is equals to 190 minus 142. Okay, so 190 minus 142 it is giving you 48. Okay, so equivalent weight is equals to 48 divided by 3.96. So 48 divided by 3.96. So 48 divided by 3.96 will give you answer 12. 12 point something is there.